how to cancel a Walmart membership online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can cancel your Walmart membership online, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you want to cancel your Walmart membership online, all you have to do is go to walmart.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're signed into your account, what you want to do is tap the three lines option over here, and then you'll find this option called Walmart Plus. Make sure to just tap the Walmart Plus option here. As you tap the Walmart Plus option, you'll be able to see your subscription details, where you have to scroll down to the bottom and then select the option called Cancel Walmart Plus account. Now currently I don't have a subscription, that's why you're not being able to find it, but if you do have, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap Cancel Walmart Plus account. You'll find them and your account will get successfully cancelled. This way you can cancel your Walmart membership online. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.